Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make CRT effect in Premiere Pro. It's really simple and easy. Open the Premiere Pro, then go to your effects and you have to search for mosaic. Apply to a clip in the timeline and do the same thing with lens distortion. Now, in effects and tools, change the horizontal and vertical block value to 500 and also enable sharp color. This will give us a suitable pixelated look. Now scroll down to lens distortion and change your coverage to around 20. Remove this white background. Simply scale up your clip and it will be not visible anymore. Go to your effects panel again, search for grid and apply this grid. Now change your blending mode to overlay and change your color to black. Then click OK. Now next, to size form, select the width and height sliders, the tissue width value 4000 and the height to 8 and then the border 3. Now if you get some big lines on the screen, simply change the anchor point in the fixing tools and it should be gone. Now apply the noise effect and the clip indentation noise to around 15 and also make sure that color noise is enabled. Now go to lumetri color and if you can't find it, go to window and make sure lumetri color is checked. Expand basic correction, then higher the exposure, contrast, whites and blacks and then highlight. Now go down to creative tab and decrease the vibrance a little bit. Now click and drag the shadow tint a bit to red and then drag the highlight tint a bit through blue. If you know the stable and then enable the effect, we can see your changes that we have made to our clip. Now apply the strobe light effect and any facing tools. Change your blend with original value to 95. Go down and set the strobe to mix layer transparent and then set blending mode to add now. Lastly, set the random seed to 6 and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make CRT effect in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.